guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today I am going to be reviewing my gingerbread spice from TooFaced holiday collection. So we've got the palette and the liquid lipstick, and I love them. My thoughts are A+. I thought it was really easy to use and all that good stuff, but you'll catch that in the rest of the video. I had polled you guys this past Friday on which holiday palette you wanted to see first this November, and I had the Sultry palette and I had the Gingerbread Spice palette, and by 1% the Gingerbread Spice palette took the lead. So don't worry, you will be seeing the Sultry palette coming soon because that's also beautiful and great for fall and winter. That one's actually great for all of the holidays in the winter months, but Gingerbread Spice pulled ahead by that 1 point, so that's the one we're going to be reviewing today. Be sure you click the link below too to go to my full blog post because I'm there breaking down ingredients, doing swatches of all the colors, and sharing my full unfiltered opinion in that full blog post. So after you watch the tutorial, be sure to head over there to kind of get a bigger and deeper breakdown of my thoughts and some facts about the palette. So don't forget to hang out over there. And without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Hey guys, let's jump into this. Okay, so we have our Gingerbread Spice palette, which I've been very excited about because I am kind of a sucker for holiday palettes with like small gimmicks, like the fact that it smells like gingerbread. I'm all about that. And because it is now officially November, I am going to start diving into all of the holiday palettes and tutorials. So there are a ton of brands that come out with awesome holiday collections, and I'm going to be reviewing them this month. So to kick that off, we have our TooFaced Gingerbread Spice palette. So let's dive into this. It looks like these. It's very pretty. Smells delicious. As my husband says when I opened this up, because I bought this yesterday at Sephora, he goes, "Oh, is that one of the palettes that smells good?" Because we have the chocolate ones, the peach ones, gingerbread. And I said yes, it is one of the palettes that smells good. Okay, so to start off, I already primed my lid, so I'm just gonna leave them. I'm not gonna put anything down. But if you're somebody that likes to put shadow down before doing their eyeshadow, the color Powdered Sugar is like ideal for that. So I'm gonna skip that today, but keep that in mind. And I'm going to go right in with the color Gingerbread Latte, which is just a warm brown transition shade. And I am using my Alamar Cosmetics Fluffy Blending Brush, just FYI. So just sink that into your crease there. Just want to make sure that it's flicked out a little bit at the ends here. Okay, so I'm liking the way that that is looking. So next I am going to take a NYX shader brush and go in with the shade Gingerbread. And it's a little bit redder. And I'm just going to concentrate that closer into the crease here. This brush was not all the way clean. Okay, this eye's a little darker, but it's not because of the shadow, it's because this brush was dirty, so clean your brushes, kids. So next I'm going to take a pointed blending brush and kind of go one more time in this crease, but this time with Spice is Nice. So I want it to be a little bit more orangey. I'm not going to bring this up or blend it upward, I just want it in that crease specifically. Okay, now I'm going to take that shader brush we used before with the shade Gingerbread again and start kind of tapping it on the inner and outer corner to start building this halo eye. Okay, so I'm going to save adding that shimmer for last and start underneath our lash line now. And I am going to do some different... Somebody remind me to clean my brushes. Dang. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a fluffy Sigma brush. It's their E25. And underneath my eye, I am going to do this figgy pudding. It's a purple color. Actually, I lied to you. I'm going to do this Spice of Life color on the end here. It's kind of like a green gold. Okay, lots of fallout. I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and flick that fallout out. Okay, so I'm going to use that same color we used on our bottom lash line on the outer corners of this halo. And then I'm going to tap over the center of that with Warm and Toasty. Sweeping that excess off. So now we have this pretty halo. And I'm going to do black liner. So I'm going to do black liner. This is the Pixie and Whaley Huang liquid liner. Okay, so now that we have our liner, I'm going to take that flat brush we used with the color Warm and Toasty and just put that in the corner of my eye. Just a little bit of light little layer of it. And then with my pointy pencil brush I just showed you, I'm going to go in with the shade Frostbite Me, which is just a really shimmery white shade, and I'm going to put that over top. Okay, so that is the final eyeshadow portion. So now we're going to throw our lashes on. And for lashes, I'm using the Scarlet 08 Huda Beauty lashes. And I'm going to hop off and put those on really quick. Okay, so now we have our beautiful lashes on. I'm so obsessed with these lashes. They make me feel V-glam, V-glam. Okay, so next step, guys, and the last step is to throw on our Melted Matte Too Faced Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick in the shade Gingerbread Girl. It's part of their Gingerbread Spice collection, and it also smells like... Okay, I know I look like this is making me very emotional, but it's really just my eyes watering from the lash glue. Okay, so we're gonna move past that. It's Gingerbread Girl, and smells like a gingerbread, and we're going to go ahead and put that on our lips. Looks so nice. I love that. That's such a pretty color, especially for fall. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I am so glad you decided to come hang out with me for the review of the Gingerbread Spice palette from Too Faced and their Gingerbread Girl matching holiday lipstick. This is one of the holiday collections I was most excited for this year because I do really like Too Faced holiday collections. Their eyeshadows are sometimes hit or miss on some of their formulas, but usually their holiday palettes are pretty good. I love their peach palette, and I was very pleasantly surprised. I wasn't surprised though. I thought it would be good. I just enjoyed the palette, and I thought that they did a really nice job. I didn't think the scent was overwhelming or anything like that, and I think the colors are fantastic for fall. So if you are looking for a very easy to use fall palette, this one is great. It has the reds, it has the purples, it has a little bit of olive, all of your neutral colors over here. It has great brow bone highlights, great, you know, transition shades, a nice collection of mattes versus shimmers. I just overall really enjoy this palette, so I give it a 10 out of 10. I really liked it. And I do love their Melted Matte formula, so I also enjoy that as well. It does tend to be a little drying, however. So a trick that I use is just to put a really heavy layer of chapstick underneath it, and then it still dries down matte, but it doesn't feel drying on your lips. So if you have some trouble with some matte liquid lipsticks, that's a good tip to kind of make them feel a little bit more hydrating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You learned something new and cool today. Found a makeup look that you want to try out, and I will definitely be sure to hang out in the comments a little bit, so leave me a hello, and I will get back to you guys later and see you in my next video. Bye guys!